This 5-inch ballistic glass can absorb an explosion and stop armor-piercing bullets instantly. But how do engineers build the world's most protected presidential limousine entirely from total scratch? What kind of metal can survive an assassination attempt? It all begins with steel hotter than flowing lava. Before a single vehicle exists, every protective panel starts as liquid metal under precise temperature control.
The ballistic plating on the undercarriage meets level specifications. Continue with the suspension calibration.
Computer-guided cutting ensures every armor plate begins with near-perfect dimensions. Even microscopic surface contamination can weaken future coatings. Immense pressure refines the internal grain structure for maximum protection. Accuracy, measured in fractions of a millimeter, determines whether the armor passes inspection. Computer-controlled lasers create complex shapes impossible with conventional cutting. Perfect edges allow the armor to fit together without microscopic gaps. Armor isn't simply flat. It must follow the body's exact geometry. Every curve is compared against the digital engineering model. Each component is digitally tracked from this point onward. While the armor waits, the vehicle's structural backbone finally enters the factory. Every frame component begins as ordinary-looking steel with extraordinary specifications. Micron-level precision now determines how perfectly the entire vehicle will align. Thousands of perfectly controlled welds transform loose steel into a rigid skeleton. Hidden flaws invisible to the eye can never escape ultrasonic testing.
Surface finishing prepares the frame for corrosion-resistant protection. Before any protective coating is applied, the chassis undergoes an intensive chemical cleaning process. Every trace of oil...
The invisible shield against corrosion is now applied to every hidden corner. Next, this skeleton begins its transformation into an armored machine.
Extreme heat permanently bonds the protective coating to the steel. This hidden layer may protect the vehicle for decades. Even heat can change steel by tiny amounts. Every dimension is verified before assembly continues. Only now do the first suspension components enter the production line. These mounting points must absorb enormous forces while carrying the armored vehicle's massive weight. Internal weld integrity matters just as much as visible craftsmanship. These axle housings will eventually support the enormous armored vehicle under extreme loads. Micron-level machining ensures the suspension aligns perfectly with the chassis. Every trace of machining residue must disappear before assembly. Precision bearings reduce friction while carrying extraordinary weight. Power cannot reach the wheels without an accurately assembled differential.
The armored vehicle finally begins standing on its own structural foundation. Every critical fastener is electronically recorded for future traceability. The rear axle must support much of the vehicle's armored mass. Even the tightening sequence affects long-term structural durability. Only after both axles are secured can the suspension absorb real-world impacts. These components help stabilize several tons of armored steel. Balanced suspension keeps the vehicle stable despite its tremendous weight.
Before any wheels can ever be installed, the steering system must come first. Perfect steering alignment begins long before the first tire touches the vehicle. The steering system is finally locked into place. Next, the armored chassis receives its powerful drivetrain. The drivetrain begins with one of the engine's most critical components. Every journal is machined to microscopic precision. Even tiny imbalances can create destructive vibrations at high engine speeds. Only after every bearing surface is coated with lubricant can the rotating assembly begin. Computer-controlled tightening guarantees consistent bearing clearance throughout the engine. Perfect piston ring sealing is essential for compression and long engine life. Each piston must enter the cylinder without damaging a single sealing ring.
The engine begins taking its final shape as the upper assembly is sealed.
Every bolt follows a carefully engineered sequence to prevent distortion. The engine now receives the components that synchronize every moving part. Engine and transmission finally become one powerful drivetrain assembly. The vehicle's heaviest mechanical assembly now begins its most critical journey. With millimeter-level precision, the complete precision alignment prevents stress on every mounting point. Every mounting bolt is digitally documented before production continues. Power means nothing without a cooling system capable of controlling extreme heat. The cooling system is engineered to perform under harsh operating conditions. Every sealed connection protects the engine from coolant loss. High-temperature exhaust components are installed only after the drivetrain is fully secured.
Precise exhaust alignment prevents vibration throughout the vehicle's lifetime.
Now the engine can finally deliver power toward the axles. The complete powertrain passes its first mechanical verification. Next, the armored body structure finally begins to take shape. Now the vehicle begins transforming from a rolling chassis into a protected fortress. Every armored panel must align with absolute precision. Every fastener is tightened to a programmed specification and digitally recorded. The firewall separates the engine bay from the passenger compartment while adding another layer of protection. Only after the floor and firewall are secured can the armored body begin rising. Precision positioning ensures every future armor panel fits without stress.
Thousands of controlled welds transform separate parts into one rigid safety cell.
The armored passenger compartment is beginning to take its recognizable shape. Every weld is precisely controlled. Real-time thermal monitoring ensures heat remains within strict limits, preserving the engineered strength and integrity of the armored steel. These cross members tie both sides together into one incredibly rigid structure. The passenger safety cell is now enclosed by continuous armored steel. Invisible inspections confirm every structural connection beneath the surface. The armored skeleton is complete. Now the recognizable exterior begins to appear. Every exterior panel must align perfectly with the armored structure beneath it. Uniform panel gaps are a hallmark of precision manufacturing. Structural strength and environmental sealing are completed together in a single operation. The front body is nearly complete, but one major armor component still remains. The armored body is finally complete. Next, the vehicle receives its ballistic glass, doors, electrical systems, and interior protection. Ordinary glass would never survive this mission. These transparent armor panels are built from multiple bonded layers for exceptional protection.
A flawless seal protects against water, vibration, and structural stress.
Each transparent armor panel must seal perfectly with the surrounding steel structure.
These doors are among the heaviest moving components on the entire vehicle.
Perfect alignment ensures the protective seals engage every time the doors close.
Every electronic system is protected against vibration, moisture, and extreme operating conditions.
Insulation reduces heat, vibration, and road noise inside the protected cabin.
The protected cabin begins transforming into a functional working environment.
Every seat is anchored directly to reinforced structural mounting points.
Before the final finish, every surface is inspected under specialized lighting.
The protective finish now receives its final mirror-quality appearance. Only now does the armored vehicle finally receive the wheels that will carry its enormous weight.
Thousands of electronic functions are verified before the engine is started. After months of manufacturing, the armored machine finally comes alive. Every major mechanical system is verified under controlled laboratory conditions. Only vehicles that meet every engineering requirement earn final approval for delivery. From molten steel to a fully engineered armored vehicle, every step demanded precision, discipline, and relentless